Today I am reviewing the GEEBOON TC22 Soldering Station, a powerful and precise rework tool designed for professional electronics repair. I purchased this model from AliExpress, and it offers high performance with full compatibility for C115, C210, C245, and T12 soldering tips. The TC22 provides extremely fast heating thanks to its 240-watt maximum power output. When using the C245 tip, the station unlocks its full power, reaching working temperature in just 3 seconds. This allows technicians to perform fast and accurate soldering on components of all sizes. One of the most important features is its safety design. The leakage voltage between the soldering tip and the ground wire is less than 10 mV, which is lower than the requirements of the ANSI ESD S20.20 standard. The station also includes short-circuit protection with a response time of less than 12 microseconds, and it supports hot swappable heating cores without damaging the main unit. The 2.0-inch IPS color screen shows real-time temperature, power output, and dynamic temperature curves, allowing users to track performance with precision. The temperature range goes from 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, and you can lock your preferred temperature using a password. The TC22 includes standby mode, sleep mode, and shutdown mode, all designed to extend the life of the heating core and prevent unnecessary wear. The system also supports smart USB upgrades, dual languages, and a wide voltage input from 110 volt to 240 volt.